Number 8. Great Dane. The Great Dane is a giant and noble dog breed known for its impressive size, elegance, and friendly nature. It is one of the largest dog breeds. Males typically stand between 30 to 34 inches at the shoulder, and females are slightly smaller, ranging from 28 to 32 inches in height. They usually weigh between 100 to 200 pounds or more. The coat lies flat against the body and provides minimal protection from extreme weather conditions. The coat comes in various colors, including fawn, brindle, black, blue, harlequin, and mantle. They are known for their friendly, patient, and gentle temperament. They are typically good-natured and sociable, both with their family members and strangers. They are often referred to as gentle giants due to their kind and docile nature.